At JMac Customs, we like to offer a variety of muzzle device options that you can't necessarily find other places. If you take a look on our website, as you're scrolling through the different muzzle device options and thread pitches that are available, you're going to see some different suffixes behind those thread pitches. For example, we have shoulder mount devices, face mount devices, face mount deep devices, and some devices that are made for specific barrel lengths. Our shoulder mount devices are made for standard application, typically on AR-15 or similar types of firearms that have a shoulder for that muzzle device to index against. The second most common type of device you're going to find on our website is our face mount device. We manufacture these specifically for Kalashnikov pattern firearms that don't have a shoulder behind the threads on your barrel like an AR-15 does. The face mount device indexes off the face of the muzzle, which will align your device to align concentrically with the bore of your Kalashnikov pattern firearm. Face mount devices aren't limited just to Kalashnikov pattern firearms. They can also be used on firearms that have thread lengths longer than that standard length, which would otherwise not allow a shoulder mount device to index properly against the shoulder. Some examples of this are the X95 Tavor, the Galil Ace, and the Brownell's BRN 180. When timing a face mount device, unlike a shoulder mount device, you will have to use our face mount shims. Not all face mount devices require timing, so make sure to take a look at the item's description for more information. Face mount deep devices are designed for barrels like on the MP5 that have tri-lugs integrated into them. And what it does is it sleeves over those tri-lugs to bring the muzzle device further back towards the receiver of the firearm. Face mount deep devices are not just limited to those tri-lug barrels. They will work with most barrels that have a profile smaller than the inside diameter of the face mount deep device. The face mount deep device will bring the muzzle device closer to the firearm, reducing the overall length and bringing your suppressor a little bit closer back as well. And the third type of face mount device we offer is our 14.5 specific devices. Now these are designed to be pinned and welded on barrels cut at exactly 14.5 inches. Once installed, it's going to bring the overall length of that barrel just over 16 inches, and it's going to reduce the overall length with a suppressor or other device installed. And then finally, our taper mount devices. These are designed to attach to tapered barrels like you see on some SIGs, Faxon barrels, and other manufacturers that utilize that same profile. These devices attach directly to that taper without the need for adapters. And then finally, our taper mount devices. These are designed to attach directly to a tapered barrel like you see on some SIGs, Faxons, and other barrels that use that same taper profile. These will attach without the need for adapters or other mounting hardware. To find the muzzle device that's right for you, head on over to the JMac Customs website where you can search for muzzle devices by the suppressor type or the thread pitch of your firearm. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out using the contact form on the JMac Customs website. Thanks for watching.